We're back!
And today we are showcasing my apartment that's available for rent on June 1st. Are you ready to make what I think might be really my new favorite cocktail?
I'm excited. I get treated special today. I want to see your skills. You've been learning all this time. Let's see what you have.
Before I do that, I have a very special outfit that I need to put on. Is that all right?
I think it's okay.
All right.
Should I be nervous?
I think that you should, just be curious.
Fair enough.
For a pickle themed cocktail, I have a pickle themed sweatshirt.
Had I known, I would have worn my matching one, so we could have done this together.
The real reason why I wanted to do this here is because I'm so sad to leave this place.
I'm sure.
I've been here for 2 years and I love it so much. Rachel, for Christmas, gave me some pickle gin. She knew I was a pickle girl. And today I'm gonna make you a gin pickle peppercini cocktail with all of the learning lessons that you've taught me. And this island is right on par with some of the listings you've been showing us.
Yeah, this is really great.
There's no measurements. This is all done with the heart.
I'm not nervous at all.
Pickle gin from Treehouse Brewery. Some of the best gin in the world. You know I'm a gin girl. We've been sticking on this gin theme for a little while now. We're just gonna go woohoo because we're making 3 cocktails.
Why 3 cocktails?
I am making an extra for Kayla Gittleman. She is the listing agent on this property. She's gonna be showing it to all new prospective tenants. So I invited her over for a drink.
Very exciting. All right, tell us what you're doing.
So I poured about 4 ounces of pickle gin, and I'm gonna pour to how much the heart desires. Pepperoni juice here. Pop that right back in there. Okay, so this also goes to the heart's desire. I like a cold cocktail. So
Absolutely.
Rachel says this is a repulsive color. I think it's beautiful.
Where'd you learn this cocktail? Create it yourself?
I got the gin, and I was going to an event, and I wanted a drink before, but I had nothing to drink. And I said, you know what, I have this gin, and I have pepperoni juice. Let's see if it's good. And you know what? Delicious.
All right.
Yeah, it was great. Okay, so it goes right on into the Ninja blender. Tighten up the top and shake. That's just about it. Now, about a few weeks ago, I did Katie Darrin on the street when I had said drink in a cup, and I had him taste it. And he said, this would be great with a rim. I'm gonna have you handle that.
Great. I'm gonna take one of your hoops here, just dip it in some of the pickle brine. We have a little salt here, so I'm gonna just put a little on the rim, like such, which I think will be lovely. In addition to that, I'm gonna add a little heat to this one. Let's see if that sticks pretty good there. You let me be creative. See, I knew you were gonna let me contribute. And there you have it with a little crushed red pepper. Take us away. Oh, you have a guest.
Kayla must be here.
Kayla.
Hello.
Hi.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Hi.
Thanks for inviting me.
Thanks
I'm
for
so
coming.
excited. Yeah, for sure. I'm
like
pumped.
pickles?
Love pickles. I am so pumped to try this.
Yay.
And your sweatshirt's giving all the pickle vibes. Yeah, so what do we have?
We have literally gin and pepperoni juice.
Perfect.
It is
simple and easy and delicious.
And it's dangerous. It doesn't taste like a cocktail at all.
Those are dangerous.
They're dangerous.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna pour them up. Pickle cocktail.
Ooh.
After we cheers, I think I have to say why I'm so sad to leave this place and why I'm so happy to pass it off to the next person.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Whoa.
That's really good. I just think it's bright and tart and lush. I think it's perfect.
Honest opinion, you like it?
I do like it. I like it a lot.
Really?
Can I just say, it's kind of a big deal.
It's a big deal. That was so good. Oh my God. All right. This apartment is why I fell back in love with Boston. The only reason why I'm leaving is because my boyfriend has a dog. We're not dog friendly here. This neighborhood has become home and I have not wanted to leave it. So I'm so lucky I found an apartment right next door. What are your favorite parts of this apartment?
The street. I love Marlborough Street. I think it's so beautiful. It's charming. It still has like that Boston feel to it. You're literally right there for Newbury, but then you're also right there for Fenway, Kenmore. So it's kind of like an artery in the city where you're nestled in between everything.
Yeah.
It's a great building. We manage the property. Our property manager, Justin, is fab.
Amazing.
Love the kitchen. I think the stainless steel appliances are great. You have a disposal, dishwasher, you name it. It's a great spot.
And this island is huge. The space is perfect. And then all the character within it. The art, the doors are my favorite.
I think you're gonna just flourish in your next place, Kate.
Thanks, I'm gonna miss it here so much. Well, if you want to make this place yours, Kayla is the perfect person to reach out to. I can't wait to see who makes it theirs.
Yeah, cheers
guys.
and cheers
Thanks for
to
coming.
you.